So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your Rockstar launcher blocked by your firewall and it's stuck on the loop of connecting to the game service or saving failed, something like that. Now in order to fix that, like if you're facing empty lobbies and strict NAT type on a GT5, in order to fix all that, all you need to do is to just simply in the search bar of start menu, you need to search for allow an app through firewall and hit enter. Now inside here, you need to locate and find the Rockstar Launcher application in this window. Just simply scroll down and find the Rockstar Launcher. If you are not able to find it, you can simply find directly GTA 5 as well. Like in my case, you just simply need to go to the R section and here you'll find the Rockstar games. You need to simply allow it for the public and private as well and do it for the Grand Theft Auto if there's one. Like if I go there, here you can see Grand Theft Auto, and you need to allow it on the both public and private. Now, once you do it and hit OK, you'll notice just simply click on this option of change settings, and you can now customize it. Hit OK, and you'll notice that all your issue will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.